Okay guys, so you're probably wondering what the heck this video is going to be about. I mean, you saw the thumbnail, so you already know. But today we're wiring up my 6x16 foot trailer. It is like midnight right now. I just installed some new LED lights in the garage, so the lighting's way better in here. But right here, got 25 foot of trailer wire, and I just soldered in this pin, as you can see right there. I don't know if it's focused or not, but I got that all soldered up, and I'm gonna go throw it on the trailer and run this to the back side of the trailer where our taillights will be. So for our taillights, it's a truck LED tailgate strip light that I had laying around in my basement. Yeah, these things are super bright, super nice. I got a reverse light, turn signals, and brake light. But with the 4-pin connection, I won't be able to wire up the reverse light, sadly. But I'm hoping to throw a 7-pin on it, so we eventually get the reverse light working. But I have it laying on top of my heater to keep me warm, because it is cold tonight, and I got the garage door open. But yeah, we're just gonna simply use the 4 wires right here and hook them up to these 4 wires. So it's going to be a pretty simple install. The only tricky thing about it is I bought a lot of these little side marker lights. So I got 2 red ones for the rear behind the wheel well, and then I got 4 of these, 2 on each side in front of the wheel well. So yeah, I'm gonna also run wires over to those, but that shouldn't be too hard. So let's get this installed along with running those wires. Okay folks, so here's an update. I got the wires run all the way to the back of the trailer. I don't know if you can see up and under there, but I kind of got them strung all the way from the front to back here. There's already holes to run the wires through, so it made my life a lot easier. I got my LED tailgate strip right here that I already marked out. It's going to be from that mark to this mark right here. I got my heat gun out. I'm going to heat up the metal a little bit just to help the bonding of the double-sided tape on that, because it is really cold out right now. And yeah, I'm going to set you guys up when I stick this sucker on. Okay, so I kind of heated up the metal. It's probably cold by now, but it was worth a shot to help this stick a little better. But let's see what's doing it all. Alright, so I got everything hooked up. As you can see, the LED strip right there, hardly noticeable, looks super sweet. All the wires are wired up. Stuff like this laying down here is just the old harness. But yeah, I'm super happy with how it turned out. I gotta spin my truck around real quick so we can hook it up to see if the lights work. But yeah, I got my new ground connection right there, and here's the old trailer wiring harness. I still gotta detach a lot of that stuff, but for the most part the whole new harness is in, and we gotta come over here to get the truck keys so we can flip that puppy around and see the lights. Okay, so I got the truck flipped around, so the moment of truth. Will these lights work? Time to find out. Okay guys, so it's the next night. Look at that, we got the LED strip working on the trailer. So it's kind of flickering, but that's just the camera, but it looks super freaking sweet. I love it so much. And my dad's sitting in the truck, and he's gonna do the turn signals and brakes. Okay, Dad, do the turn signals. Do the turn signals. There's the left one. There's the right one. Now hit the brakes. There we go. Oh, that's the hazards. Hit the brakes. So it has that little warning, and then the LED strip gets brighter. So yeah, looks super nice. Do it again. The brakes. There we go. That's super nice. As you can see, I got the exact same one on my truck over there. I just have some extras. I sell these on my website if you guys want to get one for your truck or trailer. I'll leave the link at the top of the description. But yeah, I only got a few left. I think I got like 5 or 4. So they're 40 bucks, or I think 45 bucks on my website. I'll have all the information in the description, but they're super bright. On my truck I have a reverse light hooked up, but with the 4-pin I'm not able to hook up the reverse light on the trailer yet. I think I'm gonna add a 7-pin at the front so I can, along with this does have trailer brakes on it, but I don't know how good they are. So I'm probably gonna wire them up and see what the heck they do. But I'm gonna wait till warmer weather to mess with all that kind of stuff. Right now I'm just trying to do what I need to make this trailer legal. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna call it with this video. I know I didn't install any of the side marker lights. I just was getting the main important lights on, which is that rear LED tailgate strip. So I have turn signals and brake lights and running lights. It's just way too cold out to spend time wiring up and drilling all the holes for those little side marker lights, so I sadly couldn't get those on. I'm gonna wait till nicer, warmer weather, but the reason why I went out in the cold to install that rear light is because I am going to pick up, I would call it an investment tomorrow. Stay tuned for that. I will be making a video on it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me install the lights on the trailer, and there's gonna be many more trailer videos coming out, along with I got some other projects up my sleeve that I want to be working on here soon, and we got some more Mustang parts in. So in this week or next week you're gonna see a video on the Mustang. And yeah, I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day or a wonderful week, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.